Welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. In the series of solving sequencing problems, आज हमने प्रोसेसिंग n jobs on 4 machines ये प्रॉब्लम लिया है. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखें, so jobs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have to be processed on different machines A, B, C, D in the order of A, B, C, D. Mind it, order is very important. ऑर्डर हमारे लिए यहाँ पर बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब जैसा कि हमने अपने इंट्रोडक्टरी पोर्शन में बताया था और प्रीवियस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में भी बताया था, लाइक वी डिड इन केस ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग एन जॉब्स ऑन 3 मशीन्स, जहाँ पर कि हमने ये देखा दैट मिनिमम ऑफ ए टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ एनी जॉब ऑन मशीन ए either should be greater than or equal to maximum of time duration of any job on machine B, or minimum of time duration of any job on machine C should be greater than or equal to maximum of time duration of any job on machine B. ये हमने किया 3 machines के केस में. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? We will see here that minimum of A, say here minimum of time duration of any job on A is 6. So here minimum of A time duration is 6, and then we will take maximum of B. Maximum of B here is maximum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Again minimum of minimum of D. Minimum of D, say that is 3 here, and maximum of B, maximum of C, that is again 5. Either of the two conditions must be satisfied here. Should be greater than or equal to, should be greater than or equal to. But you look at here, minimum of D here is 3. So 3 is not greater than or equal to 5, but definitely 6 is greater than or equal to 5. So कोई एक condition, either this one or this one must be satisfied. अगर ये satisfy होती है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? दो fictitious machines मान लेंगे. इंस्टेड ऑफ ए बी सी डी हम मान लेते हैं दैट जी एंड एच, जहां पर कि जी को हम कहेंगे ए प्लस बी प्लस सी एंड एच को कहेंगे बी प्लस सी प्लस डी को लेकर के हम जॉब यहां पर लिखेंगे. से जॉब्स आर हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब हम ऐड करके लिखते हैं यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ पर 8, 3, 11, 4, 1, 5, 15, 5, 2, 7, 9, 16, 5, 4, 9, 6, 15, 5, 1, 6, 12, 6, 18, 2, 1, 3, 7, 10. Here 4, 3, 7, 7, 14, 5, 2, 5, 5, 10, 2, 12, 8, 5, 13, 4, 17, 9, 1, 10, 5, 15 एंड 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. इस तरीके से हमने दो फिक्टिशियस मशीन्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? जो लीस्ट ड्यूरेशन जिस किसी भी मशीन पर होगा उसको हम एक सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे इन द ऑर्डर दैट, अगर वो जी पर आता है तो एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट पे लिखेंगे, अगर एच पर आता है तो राइट पे लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ पर देखिए 15, 16, 10 एंड हियर 6, जो 5. सो ये मशीन एच पर है, इसका मतलब जॉब 5 हमारा यहाँ रहेगा एक्सट्रीम राइट में, और इसको हम यहाँ से एलिमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं जिससे हमें बाद में कंफ्यूज है. आफ्टर 6 कम्स 6 हियर इट इज 12 perhaps. After 6 the least one is 12 here, and 18, 15, 16, 15. So 12 is the least one. अभी भी वो एच मशीन पर आ रहा है, इसका मतलब राइट में हम लिखेंगे. सो हियर इट इज जॉब 2. Here it is job 2. Now after 12, 13, 14. So 14 is again on the machine S, job 1. So इस तरीके से हमने job 1 भी लिया. After 14 is 15. Now 15 is on again job S. So we can take 4 here, and 15 is also here, so 3 G पर आया, so ये 3 एक्सट्रीम का हुआ. तो इसका मतलब हमारा ये सीक्वेंस बना. अब इस सीक्वेंस से हम the sequence is 3 4 1 2 5. So here we can write 3 4 1 2 5. Taking this particular sequence, this is going to be optimal one. और sequences यहाँ नहीं बन रहे हैं. अब हम यहाँ पर computation of time period on different machines कर सकते हैं. So here you see the sequence is written here. Say for job 3rd first, for job 3rd machine A, starting time is 0. Now processing time is 6. So here 0 plus 6 is 6. Now this 6 will become starting time for on machine B for job 3rd. So here it is 6. Duration of the activity is 4. So 6 4 10. Now this 10 will become starting time on machine C for job 3rd. Duration is 5. So here it is 5. So 10 5 15 15. And duration here is 8 on machine D. So 8 5 13 23. That's how we compute it. Then 4. Job 4 is 12. For 4th job, the starting time is 6, duration is 12, so 12 6 18. यहाँ पर 18 hours जॉब फ्री नहीं है, लेकिन मशीन 10 hours बाद खाली है. So starting time here it is 18, duration is 5. So 8 5 13 23, 23. Now it is 15, it is 23. So here we will take 23. Duration is 1, so it is 24. This is 23, and here it is 24. So here we will take again 24. Duration is 9, and so now 33 for this. Let me draw a line here so that it is clear to you. And because of shortage of space, I am drawing this line to you so that it is separated clearly. So starting time this one. Now job 1. Here starting time is 18. So duration of the activity is 8, 26. This is 23 or not 26. That means job is not free. So starting time for this is on machine B is 26. Duration is 3. So that is 29. Now 29 and it is 24. So here it is 29. Duration is 4. Here it is 33. It is 33, both are 33. So starting time, both job and machines are free after 33rd hours. Here the duration of the activity is 7. So it is 40. Next comes job 2. That is starting time is 26. Duration is 9. So here it is 35. 35 and 29, 35 is greater than 29, so starting time is 35, duration of the job is 2, so here it is 37. 37 again is greater than 33, so starting time is 37, because the one which is greater, that will become starting time for the job on next machine. So here it is 37, duration of the activity is 5, so it is 42. Here again 42 is greater, so duration of activity is 5, so here it becomes 47. Now for job 5th, here 35, duration of the activity is 7, so here it is 42. Now 42 and 37, so here it is 42, duration of the activity is 1, so 43. 43, 42, again we will take 43 here, duration of the activity is 2, so here it is 45. But here machine is not free up to 47th hour. So 47 we'll take here and 3, that is 50. So that's how we really compute the time taken on different machines. So here the total elapsed time, here you see elapsed time, total elapsed time of processing 5 jobs on different machines, 4 different machines, is 50 hours. This is completely solved. से अगर एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा आइडल टाइम क्या रहा, सो हम अलग अलग आइडल टाइम मशीन एक ड्यूरेशन को देख लेते हैं. 12 6 18, 12 6 18, 8 26, 9 17 35, 7 5 12, 42. Here is 2 1 3 3 6 5 11 15, 2 5 7 4 11 12 5 17, 5 3 8 7 15 9 24 और 8 32. So idle time for machine A, that is 50 minus 42, 8 hours. For machine B, this is 50 minus 15, 35 hours. For machine C, that is 50 minus 17, so this is 33. For D, this is 32, so it is 18 hours. That's how we can calculate idle time. So I hope that you have clearly understood how to solve sequencing problem of n job, processing n jobs on 4 different machines. अगर आपको समझ में आया हो प्लीज लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.